and it's several days later and we're back to the floor repair. We've had a couple of days of rain and I pulled this up and it's bone dry, which is very good news. All the wood, yeah, completely dry. So there's no fresh water, there's nothing coming from any pipes that might be leaking, there's no water coming from the garden outside. I mean, in total it's been about a month since I pulled this up. A month of waiting for the rain to stop, a couple of days of good weather, followed by more rain, and nothing's affecting this. It's dried out and stayed dried. So I'll go ahead and repair this.